Let's just leave a little bit.
Andy.
A lot of things, don't you?
Yeah, he's a kicker. Andy, go look at the lizards and snakes. What? On Mommy's hand? Oh, does Mommy have a camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to go see the yucky lizards? Come on. Go see the yucky lizards. Go yuck. Yeah, I know. Go see them. I want to see you go yuck.
No, here. It's okay. It's not like
Oh
Want to touch it?
no. He's scared. Oh, he doesn't like.
Throw this away for you, buddy.
He doesn't like the snakes and things. Go see a snake. Go and go see one. No. He's kind of scared of them. Go see Matt. He doesn't. He's scared of them. Ew, that's a spider web. Yeah, don't touch that.
No, he doesn't want to.
Oh, he's scared.
Yeah, he doesn't like it.
It's fair. You don't have to go see him.
Ooh, look, it's moving.
You want to see the lizard?
Check it out.
No? He's scared of them. Okay. That's fine. He's scared of the big thing. Yeah? Are you done? Are you done? I think he's done.
Mm-hmm.